Hey guys, it's Annie, and for today's video, I thought that I would talk about my first ever experience fostering little baby kittens. You are so sweet. Yeah. This is like harder than I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna share with you my honest thoughts on the entire experience. Again, I picked my foster kittens up when they were 3 weeks old from the Stray Cat Alliance, and they were teeny tiny. I did not know what I was getting myself into. You guys. Oh, I may or may not have just gotten myself in over my head. I had to bottle feed them multiple times throughout the day, every like 4 hours. All right, babies, who's ready for some dinner? This little boy, his name is Bug. Is that not the cutest thing? What? Oh, he's licking me. All right, who do we have next? Let's take, who is this? Oh, I know who this is. Okay, so this right here, this little girl, I named her Pippi, like Pippi Longstocking. Oh, does this look good? Oh, that's some good stuff. That is some good stuff. Okay, so this girl looks a lot like Pippi, who you just saw, but her name is Lila. You ready for some food? Yes, you are? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, she's so... This is ridiculous. This is so cute. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have Skip. Little Skipper. Hi, Skip. Yummy. They were little gremlins when they were feeding, and they would scratch up my hands and climb up my legs. I constantly had scratches on my body. Ow! Ow! Hey, not the skin. And sometimes it got annoying, if I'm going to be honest, but they were also so cute and adorable. Sometimes though, I just was like, what did I get myself into? This is painful. Ow! Ow! Ow. Seriously, you're scratching at my leg. Please stop. One of the harder parts was the first week. I had to keep the kittens in the bathroom separate from my cat Louise, and she really wanted to meet them that first week that they were here, and then she finally met them. Louise. Louise, you want to come here? Woohoo! This is a big moment. Oh, not interested. And she was not a fan. They're not here forever. Oh. She did this thing where she would start grooming them and acting like she loved them, and then she would hiss at them and smack them in the face. But she warmed up to them after a while. She started being okay with them. Oh, that's the cutest thing. But if I'm being honest, I think the entire time that the kittens were here, Louise was mostly kind of annoyed. Yeah, when they were out and about, she would just like sit there and stare at them wide-eyed, like, what are these annoying little kittens doing? You look so concerned, Louise. Look at how wide her eyes are. Do you feel betrayed? But with that, after their bottle feeding stages, I was able to have them out all the time, except at nighttime. The whole time I had them, the whole like several months I had them, at night they slept in the bathroom. Good night, Bug. Good night, Lila. Good night, Pippi. Good night, Skip. See you in the morning. And then during the daytime, they could be out, because I was not about to have 4 crazy little kittens out all night jumping on my head, because they would get crazy. They would have these moments where everything's fine, they're being cute, they're being sleepy, they're being cuddly, and then my foot. But of course, they're baby animals. They have energy. It's instincts. They were having fun. I do have some claw marks, some snags on my headboard to this day. No. What is all of this about? Louise, how are you allowing the babies to behave in this way? You're supposed to be babysitting. And I'm not trying to make them sound like they were crazy and horrible, because to be honest, I really bonded with them. Bug for the longest time was my favorite. He was like my little buddy. I loved him so much. He was so cuddly and cute and precious. I mean, I liked all of them, but Bug was always my number one. But by the end of it, I really felt bonded to all of them. They all were so precious, and I really liked having them around. They were like my little team, my little kitten team, my little cuddle buddies. Bug, right away, before he was even off the bottle, my friend Mallory wanted to adopt him. So the time came, and that was a hard day when she was coming to pick him up. Bug is going to his new home. This is like harder than I thought it would be. I bonded with him more than any of the other kittens. Oh, he's like my little buddy, and I knew I couldn't keep any of them, so it's just sad. But this is like, you know, if you're like an animal person and if you foster cats or a dog and you get attached to them, this is just like part of it. And I was like, it's gonna be a lot easier. Like my number one fave is gone. So these three, you know, I love them, but I didn't bond the way I did with Bug. Well, I was wrong. It was hard with all of them. So guys, another sad day has come. It's time for me to drop Skip off because he's going to a kitten cafe. Since Bug left, I definitely have bonded with Skip more. I'm here now, but I took him out just to have a little extra cuddle time. But he's being so good. Look at this cat. Is he not so sweet? All right, everybody say goodbye to Skip. Little Skipper dude. Bye, Skip. But luckily, I was able to find someone to take Lila and Pippi together. I'm gonna miss you, Lila. I'm gonna miss you. You have no idea you're leaving tonight. Bye. Bye, Lila. Bye, Pippi. Everyone say bye, Pippi. Yep, and it's hitting. All I can say right now is, as hard as it is, like, for this part, like, I'm happy that I did it, but keep in mind, like, if you foster, you're doing a really good thing. It's also hard. Goodbye. Bye-bye, babies. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, you guys have a good life. But I'm just happy that they were able to go to a home together. Also, for Skip going to the kitten cafe, he has a home there for as long as he needs a home. Like, he stays there until someone adopts him. I don't know if at this point someone has adopted him or not, but I hope that he finds a home soon. Until he does, he has a very comfortable, Instagram-worthy little place to be staying. But the one plus side was, because I had them for months, I started feeling like maybe Louise is just boring. I guess my cat must just be boring because, you know, I've gotten used to these little kittens being all crazy and cuddly all the time. But I realized that while I had the kittens here, Louise was like suppressing her personality because she was irritated that the kittens were here. I was worried that she would be sad that they left. And a lot of people are like, Louise is gonna be depressed. Nope, she livened up. She's so happy to have the place back to herself. She's always like talking and going, brow, brow. Yeah, right. Yeah. Are you the cutest? Yeah, her personality did not fade. She just suppressed it while they were here. And she's just been extra cute and extra cuddly and back to herself, which I'm so happy to see. But that does kind of just tell me that Louise is like a one cat family kind of a gal. Louise, come here. Are you just the best girl? Are you my prettiest girl in the whole wide world? Also, guys, I discovered what breed Louise is. She is a Balinese. OMG's Louise the Balinese. That's your name, huh? Meow? Meow. One of their traits, though, that I found out about Balinese, they're very talkative and like to communicate with their humans. So that's why she's always talking to me. She's a talker, huh? Yeah, thought so. Anyway, that is my whole overview of fostering kittens. If you want to give it a try, I highly recommend. Otherwise, if you want a kitty of your own, I recommend adopting a rescue cat like Louise. Adopt, don't shop. Right? Love you. Ooh. All right, say bye. All right, and with that, I will see you soon with a new video. Bye. Bye, guys.
Louise, what are you doing, girl? What you doing? Just being cute? Oh. You better cherish these fights because the kittens are leaving. Lou.